Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a playlist on Soundcloud. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To add a playlist on your Soundcloud account, open up your Soundcloud application if you are doing this on your mobile device. If you are doing this on a web browser, you can simply follow the steps since the process is similar. Once you're logged into your Soundcloud account, simply go ahead and locate a song you want to put on a playlist. You can either search with the help of the search icon at the bottom of the page and type in the name of the song in the search bar. Once you perform your search, simply find the song you'd like to add and tap on the three dots right next to the song. Now, tap on Add to Playlist. You can add the song to an existing playlist, or if you'd like to add a new playlist, tap on the plus button at the top right. Create your new playlist by typing in the name in the text box and tap Done. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add a playlist on SoundCloud. In order to find the playlist, from the main home page, tap on the hamburger menu at the bottom right and tap on Playlist from the Library tab. You'll be able to view all of your playlists that you've created with SoundCloud on this page. That's how you can easily add a new playlist on your SoundCloud account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.